Good morning children, how are you? In the previous class we are discussing about the 5-digit numbers and how to count the 5-digit numbers, its place value, face value, values, how to expand the 5-digit numbers, how to give the names of the 5-digit number, and also we are discussing Roman numerals. So, today we are discussing one thing. Before starting our chapter, I will ask one. How do you know what is the height of K2 and Mount Everest? Okay, the height of Mount Everest is 29,029. 29,029, and height of the K2 is 26,247. 26,247. Okay, you find out which is the tallest mountain. Which is the tallest mountain? How you get this? All are 5-digit numbers. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also 5. Then how we find out which is the highest, tallest mountain? Today we are discussing 5-digit numbers comparison. Okay, our chapter name is Comparing 5-digit numbers. Comparing 5-digit numbers. Have you heard comparing? Where we use comparing? In the classroom. Okay, you are comparing the teachers. The old teachers, new teachers, and new friend, old friend, and comparing. Just, and also you are comparing height of the children. Who is the tallest friend? Who is the shortest friend your side? And your brothers also comparing. He is very naughty. Okay, that like you are comparing. Comparing your character, your features. So here we are comparing the numbers. How we are comparing? Comparing means which is the smallest number, largest number or equal. Comparing we needed 2 or more numbers. We are comparing friends. Only one person we can comparing to others? No. We needed 2 or more person. So here we are comparing the numbers. We needed 2 numbers. So here I wrote here some numbers. Okay, 29,421 and 39,462. These are 2 numbers we are comparing. In small numbers we know how to comparing. Okay, example 6 and 10. Which is the largest number here? 10 is the largest number. Smallest number 6. Then 3-digit numbers. Here which is the smallest number? 398 and largest number 483. How you find out this large and small? Here you look the number of digits. Here which number of digits is larger? That number is larger. Greater number or greater or large number is largest number of digits. Here, look here only 1 digit, here 2 digits. Here largest number of digit is here 2 digit. 2 is the largest. So number of digits is here largest. So this is the largest or greatest number. Okay. Here, but in this case, both are same digits, number of digits. Here both digits are same, 3 digits. Then how we find? In this case, both have same. The given numbers have same digits. How we comparing? Okay, then from the left side. From the left side we are checking. First we are left side. Here 3-digit number, that means 100 place. Here also 100 place. In 100 place, here 3, here 4. In the hundreds place, here 3, here 4. 3 and 4. Okay, you know that 3 or 4. Which is greater? 4. So 4 is the greater. So in this case, 3 and 4, 4 is the greater. So this number is greater number. Okay. Here you look. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. And here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. Then we will check it. Here 10,000 place. Starting from 10,000 place we will check it. In 10,000 place, which is the number? In 10,000 place, first number is 2. In the second numbers, 10,000 place 3. In this case, which is greater? 3 is greater. So this number is greater or larger number. Okay. Now you understand how we are finding the largest number? In comparing numbers, we are using less than symbol, equal symbol and greater than symbol. Less than and equal and greater than symbol. This shows that less than symbol. Equal. We are comparing the numbers using these symbols, less than, greater than and equal. Then we will check it how to compare the numbers and 5-digit numbers. How to compare the 5-digit numbers. Okay. Then I wrote here 4 questions. We will check it how to compare the given numbers. Look here. First number. First we are checking how to compare the numbers, counting the number of digits. In this case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 digits. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both have 5 digits number. Then number of digits are equal. Then what? How we check the comparing? How we check the comparison of these numbers? Then we will check the left side first numbers. Here left side first number is 3. Here also 3. Then next left side first number are equal. Then we will check it second number. Second number 2. Here also 2. Second number also same. Then we will check third number. Here 5. Here 0. Here left side first number are equal, second number also equal, then third number are various. Here 5, here 0. Okay, in this case 5 or 0 is greater. 5. So which number is greater? This number is greater. Okay, once more I say, here number of digits are equal, so we want to check the left side first numbers. Comparing the left side first numbers 3, here also 3. Then in left side first number is equal, then we will check it second number. Second number is 2, here also 2. Then we will check it third number. In third number, here 5, here 0. Here not equal numbers, so we will comparing this number 5 and 0. 5 or 0, which is greater? 5. So this number is greater number. Next, this number of digits. First we will count number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 4 digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 digits only. The number of digits are different. So here 5, here 4. Which number is greater? This number. Okay, this number is greater. Then here we will look it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 5 digits. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number of digits is equal. Then we will check it left side first number. Here 5, here also 5. Equal numbers. Sorry, equal digits are there. Left side first number is equal digits. Second 6 and 6. Both also equal. Then third digits 7 and 7. Then third digit also equal. Then we will check it fourth digit. From the left side fourth digit 3 and fourth digit 2. So 3 or 2, which is greater? 3. So this is greater number. Next, 70,000. Here number of digits we will check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits. Number of digits are equal. We will check it the left side first number. Here 7. Here also 7. Both are equal. Second number 0. Here also 0. Third number 0. And here also 0. Fourth number 0. And here also 0. Fifth number 3 and this 3. So this all digits are equal to comparing the second number. So both are equal. Got it? Then in this case all are same, greater than symbol only. We will do less than, mixed problems we will do. Some more problem also we will do. Okay, we will do these problems. First question, second and third. Here 73,215. Here 37,670. Okay. Then here we will first want what we want to check, counting the digits. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of digits are equal. So for what we want to check, the left side first number. Here 7. Here also 3. Here 7. Here 3. So which is greater, 7 or 3? 7 is greater. This number is 73,215 is greater than 37,670. Next number. Here we will check. Second number 2,305 and 23,005. First we want to count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits. Here 4 digits. Here 5 digits. So which 4 or 5 is greater? 5. So 5 digit number is greater than 4 digit number. This is great. So 2,305 is less than 23,005. Next, here we will check it the number of digits. 70,815. Here also 70,815. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 5 digits. Then we will check it. Left side first number 7. Both are equal. Second number 0. That also equal. Third number 8. 8 also. Both are equal. 1. Next digit is 1. That also equal. Last 5. Both are equal. So these numbers are equal. We will put the equal sign. Okay. Now you understand the comparing the numbers. Okay. Today we are discussing how to compare the numbers. Okay. We will do more problems later. Thank you.